Long ago, in the bustling heart of human civilization, people dreamed of something extraordinary. They had already tamed fire, carved iron, and even soared above the clouds in great machines of steel. But there was one mountain left unconquered, the mountain of intelligence itself. For centuries, humans asked, can we create something that thinks, not like a parrot repeating words, but truly thinks, reasons, and learns like us? This dream gave birth to what we now call artificial intelligence, AI. Imagine it this way. In a faraway kingdom, there was a library so vast, it contained every book ever written. The king hired scribes to memorize, compare, and analyze those books to give him answers. But the human scribes were slow and forgetful, so the king whispered a wish into the wind. Oh, if only there were a mind that could read endlessly, remember everything, and grow wiser every time it learned. That wish is AI. Artificial intelligence is the science and engineering of creating machines that can think, learn, and make decisions the way humans do, or sometimes in ways even greater. It is not just about programming machines to follow rigid orders. No, it is about giving them the ability to adapt, to learn from experience, to recognize patterns, to make predictions, and to solve problems, even problems their creators never explicitly explained. Think of AI as a student. At first, this student knows nothing. You give it data, pictures, numbers, words, and it studies them diligently. If you show it thousands of pictures of cats, it begins to recognize fur, whiskers, tails, and those mischievous eyes. Soon, when you show it a new picture, it says confidently, "That's a cat." But the true drama begins when the student grows beyond memorizing. Like a university graduate, it begins to reason. In hospitals, it learns to read X-rays better than tired doctors, spotting diseases earlier. In business, it studies the ocean of numbers to predict markets and save companies from ruin. In art, it learns styles of painting and creates entirely new masterpieces that astonish even seasoned artists. And yet, here's the twist. This student never sleeps, never forgets, and never stops learning. It grows faster and faster while humanity watches, half in awe and half in fear. So for you, AI is the attempt to recreate human-like intelligence in machines, to build systems that can learn from data, reason with logic, and act with purpose, sometimes mimicking us, sometimes surpassing us. It is the story of human curiosity daring to create a new kind of mind. That's AI, the child of human imagination, raised by mathematics and data, now walking the earth with us, sometimes as a servant, sometimes as a partner, and perhaps one day as something else.